Here are the 9 hottest non-coding tech roles companies are paying premium for in 2025. Number 1, business analyst. Now think of a business analyst as the bridge between the business side and the tech side. If you're currently in a role where you identify problems, listen to stakeholders, and suggest improvement to processes, you're already doing business analysis. They translate business needs into technical requirements, ensuring that the expensive, fancy tech being built actually solves a real-world problem. As a strategic problem solver, a business analyst typically commands a salary between $85,000 and $140,000 a year. Role number 2, project manager. If you have ever organized a company event, a personal event, managed a sales campaign from start to finish, or coordinated a care plan for a patient involving multiple specialists, you have project management experience. In tech, a project manager is the captain of the ship. They don't need to know how to build the engine, which is the actual coding, but they need to understand and ensure that the team has a map, which is the plan, and the team stays on schedule, manages the budget, and avoids icebergs, which are risks and issues. They are the ultimate organizers and communicators. As the leaders responsible for a project's success, a tech project manager typically commands a salary between $80,000 and $135,000 a year. Next is the Scrum Master. Now, this sounds a little bit technical, but it's all about people and processes. A Scrum Master is a coach for a development team, helping them work more efficiently using the Agile framework. If you're great at facilitation, you excel at removing roadblocks for your team, and you love helping a group find its rhythm, this role is perfect for you. It's less about project plans and more about protecting the team and guiding the team through short work cycles called sprints. Since their focus is on maximizing team performance, a Scrum Master typically commands a salary of between $85,000 and $125,000 a year. Number 4 is the Cybersecurity Analyst. You do not have to be a master hacker to be in cybersecurity. Many roles focus on the governance, risk, and compliance aspects of cybersecurity. So if you've worked in banking, finance, healthcare, you're already familiar with compliance. You're already familiar with audits. You're already familiar with managing risks. So a GRC cybersecurity analyst ensures the company follows industry regulations, assesses potential security risks from a business perspective, and creates policies to keep the company and its data safe. It's about process and protection, not just code. So given the critical importance of protecting a company's data, a GRC analyst typically commands a salary of $90,000 to $160,000 a year. Number 5 is the Customer Success Manager. This is far more than customer service. This is about proactive relationship management. A Customer Success Manager works with clients after the sale to ensure they get the maximum value from the product. If you're a finance advisor helping clients reach their goals, or a personal support worker ensuring a patient's care plan is successful, you have the empathy and strategic mindset for this. You're part consultant, part relationship builder, and your goal is to reduce the churn and increase customer loyalty. Because this role is key to customer retention, Customer Success Manager typically commands a salary of between $75,000 and $130,000 a year. And next is tech sales or sales engineer. So if you have any background in sales or even just love explaining how things work to people, then tech sales can be incredibly lucrative. A sales engineer, for example, partners with an account executive. The account executive manages the relationship, and the sales engineer provides the technical expertise during the sales process, demonstrating the product and answering deep questions. You don't need to be a coder, but you need to love the product and be brilliant at explaining its value to potential customers. A sales engineer can expect a total compensation, including commission, to range from $90,000 to well over $200,000 a year. Next is our UI UX designer. A UI UX designer makes technology easy and enjoyable to use. They design how an app or website looks, the user interface, and how it feels to navigate the user experience. They are the architects of the digital experience, focusing on creativity, empathy, and visual problem solving. As the architect of a product's usability, a UI UX designer typically commands a salary of about $80,000 to $130,000 a year. Next is our user researcher. A user researcher is the voice of the customer. They are the detectives who figure out what users really need and want from a product. They do this by conducting interviews, sending out surveys, and observing how people use technology to provide valuable insights for the design and business teams. By ensuring the company builds the right right product for the right people. A user researcher provides immense value and typically commands a salary of between $85,000 to $140,000 a year. Number 9 is data analyst. A data analyst is a storyteller who uses data. They take numbers and information from spreadsheets, sales reports, or website traffic and find the trends and answers hidden inside that data. They create charts and reports that help company leaders make smarter, more informed decisions because they turn raw data into insights that guide business strategy. A data analyst typically commands a salary between $85,000 and $130,000 a year. If you're ready to accelerate your career, there's a link in the description to book a free, no obligation career strategy call with our team. And if this video has helped you see your experience in a new light, please like this video and share it with someone who needs to hear this life transforming message. And if you want more content like this, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Your high paying tech career isn't a far off dream. It's a decision and a plan away.